Do you ever wear different socks? Like, check that one. And that one. Like, I typically wear different socks. Just new style I'm trying. Just to try something different. And also that thing behind me, that supermodel artist, is looking too beautiful. Like, isn't that like from a dream? Fucking hell. So yeah, if you haven't ever tried wearing two different color socks, try them on. Your energy will be completely different. Your emotional feeling thought waves will be different. And also just try different style. Honestly, like, who walks around wearing things like this? Like, look at this. This is like a sleeping thing. You know, the thing you wear at night, like pajamas with some store boots, with a white shirt, with a pink shirt, and this thing. Like, I don't know, just mix and match shit around, you know, have fun and try different things and be the anomaly in the matrix, in the false matrix, in the false reality. Because when you do that, your energy starts changing, your frequency starts changing, and when you do that, you become a completely different person. You become your own truest, purest, highest, darkest, and brightest self. You become a radiant, a luminous, a shining one. When you become a shining one, you shine bright like a fucking diamond, right? Or maybe not, or maybe shine like bronze that kind of looks like gold. Just shine, right?